Do you happen to have a GE fridge that every 20 minutes or so, it sounds a little like this? The problem could be a faulty damper motor controller, which controls the flow of cold air from the freezer to the refrigerator. Mine was located behind this drawer. Here it is in action. As you can see, the motor stayed on a lot longer than it took the door to close. The design relies on the gears to stall the motor, which is fine until they wear out and break. Here's an entire new gasket and damper control motor I purchased off Amazon for about $170. About the hardest part of this job is getting the stam control unit out of the refrigerator. It's down low in the refrigerator and awkward to get to, and our tile floor isn't the most comfortable to lay on to get to it. I was a little surprised to find 2 damper motors in my unit. Here I am using a 9-volt battery to make sure the one I didn't know about is operating quietly. Lucky for me, it was. So GE's network of fine technicians will gladly come out and fix this for you. Just know that at the time of this recording, they wanted over $1,000 to do it. Besides what I already talked about, the awkwardness to get the control unit out of the refrigerator, it's really nothing more than a couple quick disconnects and swapping out these units, putting a gasket in and getting it all buttoned back up in the refrigerator. So, while not hard, it's pretty awkward. But for $1,000 in savings, or roughly that, I think it's worth it, especially when you hear the results.